Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install OpenCV for Python on a Raspberry Pi without compiling anything from the source code, which takes a lot of time and a lot of resources, and usually it fails and you're left with nothing but a really long waste of time, and we don't want that. So let's get started. First we have to install some dependencies, which I will leave them in the description below. We type these commands. I'm connected to my Raspberry Pi with SSH right here. We just copy that and paste it. We say yes. Oops. With a capital one. Yes. Next, we will update pip installer for Python 3. To do that, we copy this line and install the latest version of it. By default, the version that comes with it is not the latest one, and you can't directly install OpenCV from that. So to do that, we install it and set it up. Once we have updated pip, we can install OpenCV with typing pip3 install OpenCV contrib python. Once we have finished installing this library, we have to manually tell our system that this file exists, unless it will just say it doesn't exist without really searching for it. To do that, we will add this line to our .bashrc file. This file runs every time we boot up our system. To do that, we will type sudo nano .bashrc. You can also use vim instead of nano as well, if you know how to escape from it. We paste it at the bottom and save it. Then we will source these changes with typing source.5rc and we are good to go. If you want to make sure whether it is working, we can start Python and import it. Then with cv2 point underscore underscore version underscore underscore, we can check its version. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.